Jeep Compass service cost. Engine oil and oil filter 15,000 km for 12 months, rupees 3,800 for engine oil and rupees 500 for oil filter. For diesel, rupees 3,190 engine oil and rupees 650 oil filter. Replace air filter 15,000 km for 12 months, rupees 590 both petrol and diesel. Fuel filter 15,000 km for 12 months. For diesel, rupees 3,500. AC pollen filter 15,000 km for 12 months, rupees 500 both petrol and diesel. Spark plug for Compass petrol 30,000 km for 24 months, rupees 2,950. Coolant 30,000 km for 24 months, rupees 1,575 both petrol and diesel. Brake fluid 45,000 km for 12 months, rupees 360 for petrol and diesel. Transmission oil 60,000 km for 24 months, rupees 1,300 both petrol and diesel. Power steering oil 60,000 km for 24 months, rupees 1,300 per liter for diesel and petrol. Realignment and balancing. Basic inspection ideal in 5,000 km, rupees 1,500 for petrol and diesel.